Hi everyone, I'm Winston from DNAKE. Welcome back to our Cloud Upgrade series. And today, we are covering everything from the version 2.1 to 2.3. If you are a user of DNAKE Cloud, you will love what is coming. We are streamlined the team management, simplified resident registration, and expand device integrations and packaging dozens of smart improvements. All will help you to work faster, safer, with way less hassle. In today's video, I will walk you through the biggest updates, what is new, how to use them, and why they matter for your daily operation. So let's start it. Alright, let's start with something every property manager will appreciate: better control and strong security. If you have been used remote management, you will love what it is. Now you can create multiple sub-admin accounts within the same site, each with their own permission controls. That means more powerful management and real team cooperation. And one more thing, the app access setting has been moved to the top right corner, where you can assign the app permission for each sub-admin. And here's how they work. First, go to the administrator setting and click Add to create a sub-admin account, fill in the name, title, and the email. They will use the app, make sure enable the remote management function. Next, under permission, assign the data and the function they need. You can decide what they can access. Click Save, they're ready to log in and get to work. That's it. Your team get their own account with exactly the right level of their need. We also added two-factor authentication. Even someone get a password without email code, they connect into the cloud. From the homepage, click the top right corner to enter your personal center. Go to the login setting and enable two-factor authentication. Enter the verification code that's sent to your email. Once set, log out. Next time when you log in, you need the code again. That's it. One more step, whole lot more secure. Now you can control the call and unlock permission for specific devices for apartment. Perfect for parking lots, gas station that only certain residents can use. Go to the site, select community and building. Then click the edit icons on the right. Here, you will see the video service and unlock permission. Turn off the video service and let apartment indoor monitor and app can no longer call, monitor, or answer the devices. Turn off the unlock permission. The residents can no longer using the app to unlock, no Bluetooth, QR code, remote unlock, or series. Local credentials like face, cars, and the PIN codes are also being blocked. You can now control every door for every resident, including the shared access point like parking lot gate. Next up, residents who have made the whole setup faster and have greater control in their hand. Before, QR code registration only can be done on the indoor monitor, but now, you don't need the indoor monitor at all. You can simply generate the QR code and send to a resident for their self-registration. You can even print it out, so when the resident comes to the office to register, there is no need to open the computer and log in to the systems. Just scan, they were in. First, go to the site, select community, and add apartment. For license section, choose the without indoor monitor and enable generate apartment QR code. Here you can set the QR code expiry date and the number of the QR code can be scanned. And that's it. No more emails, no more manual setup. Or maybe someone just with the secondary properties. Now, a single account can join multiple homes. See that? Just tap the top left corner, you can switch between the homes right in the app. So, what does that mean? No more extra account, no more switch back and forth. You will never miss a call or a launch from any properties. Once log in and handles all. What if a resident forgets their car or their phone battery are dead? No need to worry, they can still get in with the personal PIN code. Just type in and they will do. Here's how we set it up. Go to the site. Select the building. Select residents. And add a resident. Expand the add access credential. By the way, you will get two options. Apartment plus pins. That's the apartment number plus custom code. That's easy to remember. Or the random pin. The system will generate a random pin code that is more secure. Choose the one and save. The resident can use that code for door access right away. So no matter what happens, no cars, no phones, no problem. they will always get a way in. One more thing, offline QR code verification. If the network drops, residents can still scan and get in. Here's how we set it up. Go to the site, then click Add a new community and fill in the details. Names, countries, property manager emails, phones, and so on. Then check these options. Allows offline device to verify QR code. And that's it. Now the QR code can work on offline devices too. Now let's talk about devices. We have expanded what you can connect and make daily use feel more easier. These ones make huge difference. Before, visitors only can be met at the lobby because the elevator and the access system just didn't connect. Now, with the elevator control integrated to the DNAKE Cloud, that is a history. Here is how we set it up. Go to the device, add the devices, and select elevator control. Fill in the MAC address, building number, unit number, and the device's name. Click Save. Once that was done, a resident shared the temporary QR codes with the visitors. The single code handles everything: the door's access and the destination floor. Visitor just can scan at the doors, and the doors unlocked, and the elevator was called. Scan again inside, the elevator will take lane straight to the right floor. Next, IP camera. Before, checking security camera means walking to the indoor monitor. Not exactly helpful if you are at work or at vacation. Now, as long as your IPC supports on-wave protocol, indoor monitor can synchronize the camera's feed straight to the Smart Pro app. Broad compatibility with more flexibility. Just open the Smart Pro app and select IPC. There is your live feed, right on your phone. Now you can see what's happening at home, no matter where you are. Smart Pro app now works with the Smart Lock too. Add them, manage them all in one app. Open the Smart Pro app, tap the Add devices on the top right corner. It will automatically scan for nearby devices. And then select your devices, then enter the Wi-Fi information, choosing the network, and enter the password. Once the device was added, tap into it, you are ready to go. Resident now can unlock or lock remotely, and everything syncs with the same credential used for the other devices. We have added NFC Unlocking for Android phone users. Just make sure NFC was enabled in the cloud platforms and the Smart Pro app. Then just tap your phone to the lock. No need to open the app, the door will unlock instantly. A few more things on unlocking. Temporary QR code now are more secure. Offline verification is more reliable. And the facial and Bluetooth credential now can share across multiple homes. So if one resident owns multiple properties, one credential covers them all. When emergencies happen, every second counts. Before, you have to unlock each access door one by one. In crisis, that's time you don't have. Now, emergency access door can be controlled right from the cloud. Pre-configuring your exit group ahead of time. When you need it, one tap, open them all. And here's how we set it up. Go to Advanced and select Emergency Settings. Here, you can configure your emergency exit door groups. Check Send Emergency to residents if you want them to be notified. Then click Save. Once that was done, back to home page. Just click Unlock icon on the top. Select the emergency exit door and tap it to open. That's it. Set it up once, you are covered when it matters most. Last up of this section, stay in connect. Sometimes property staff are always in front of desks. Maybe they're on patrolling or away from office. Now, residents can call not only the master station, but also the property manager's phone app directly from Smart Pro. Go to Me and the tab called Concierge. That's it. Connect instantly. Now, let's talk about keeping things run smoothly. Smart card management, target message, and automatic alert. First, we made the card management a lot more flexible. Now you can support both the DNAKE cards and the third-party cards. And the card modes now unify across the entire site. One mode, everything was consistent, centralized, and simplified. Property manager now can send the message to a specific apartment or building. Perfect for things like maintenance noticement or the payment reminder. That's only affect the certain units. No more blasting the whole community. Click my message and click Add. Fill in the message title and select the send time. And then choose the specific receptance. Type your message contents and click Save. Then click Send. The message will appear both on the app and the indoor monitor for those select resident only. You can also select all receptants and send to everyone at once. So, one unit or a whole building, you are always sending to the right message to the right people. Here is the one that will save your maintenance teams a lot of headache. Before the device starting to acting up, nobody knew until someone to report it. Now, the system can automatically alert you when the moment when something goes wrong. Just go to the site and click Add New Community. Expand more and enable report device anomalies. Here you can set up thresholds for on and off line anomalies, for example, 5 times. And enter the email address that you will receive the alarms. Now you can catch up the issue even before the residents start to notice. No more waiting for someone to call and complain. For a large site, menu input is a nightmare. Let's solve with the batch operation. Instead of adding apartment one by one, now you can create them by batch. Go to the site, select Community, choose the building, and click Import Apartment. Here is a template for your reference. Upload your CSV or XLX files, and the system will generate an apartment automatically. That's it. It used to take an hour, now it's done by a second. And the same thing goes with personnel. Batch input saves hours. Go to the access controls and click Person. Select Customized and click Input Customized. Same thing as before, here is a template for your reference. Upload your CSV or XLX file. That's it, single uploads. Everyone was in. And that's not all. We have polished up a bunch of the things across the platform. That you might not notice right away, but it will make everything feel smoother. Here is a quick look. Improve search features, improve sorting of the devices, buildings, apartment, and the residents. Improve the experience of entering building numbers. Improve the validity of the name field. Here is some more. Improve the import files templates and the user experience. Optimize the onboarding guide card. Update the region and the time zone list. Support Italian and traditional Chinese. All this adds up a faster, cleaner, and easier experience. All these new features are available in a wide range of the model. Here is a quick look of the water support. For door stations, indoor monitors, master stations, access control, and elevator control. You can see a full list of supported models right here. So whatever you set up, there is a model ready to go. And we are not stopping here. Take a look to what's coming in the 2.4. Here is what you can expect. Unified license type, simple purchasing, and no more indoor monitor check. Sub-installer account. Installer now can create and management a sub-installer roles within their own permissions. Upgraded import templates with the inline instruction and cleaner layout. Smoother firmware upgrades. Improve the model selections and optimize remote float. Stay tuned, guys! Alright, that's DNAKE Cloud from 2.1 to 2.3. Smart access, deeper integration, and much smoother workflows for manager and resident alike. If you are already using the DNAKE Cloud, update to the latest version and get this feature. New to the DNAKE? Now is the perfect time to try it out. If you have any questions, drop on the comment sections. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.